Hello everyone, please welcome and join Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a snack recipe. I'm going to use moong dal. In typical Punjabi we call it moongi, hare moongi di dal. And I'm going to make a snack out of it, and it's so tasty and so delicious. And how do I do it? That I'm going to share with you. I'm going to take 1 cup moong dal, soak the dal overnight in cold water, and this is how it's gonna look. I drain the water, it becomes double in size. All the ingredients will be half teaspoon cumin powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and salt. Black pepper, cilantro, which is dhania, 1 teaspoon each. For tadka, 1 teaspoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil, and let's start making our moong snack. Get a fry pan, start gas. Keep gas on high. First we're going to bring the dal in fry pan. Keep stirring. Dal was soaked overnight and it retains a lot of water inside. Keep the gas on high. It will dry up the water faster. As you can see, there is a lot of water. So keep moving. Cooking for 3 minutes on high gas. There's no more moisture. So we're going to bring the gas on medium. And we're going to bring 1 teaspoon olive oil. Mix it well. So make sure that our dal is nicely coated with oil. Keep stirring, and we're going to cook it on medium gas. Cooking for another 3 minutes on medium gas. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. Black pepper. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, we're going to bring our gas to number 3, which is medium low. I'm going to cover with the screen splatter. We're going to cook it until it gets fully cooked. On medium low gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon more olive oil. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to spread it evenly. Cover with the screen splatter again. Cooking for another 5 minutes on medium-low gas. Our moong dal snack is all ready. As you can hear, the nice crispiness sound. Now we'll bring cilantro. Mix it well. You always can add fresh cilantro or parsley, but this is perfect. I'm going to turn up the gas. I'll dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. Before serving, get a lemon juice, squeeze it on top and serve it. And this is one of the delicious snack, and it's so easy to make. And please try it, and you're going to like it. And if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.